year's edition is particularly special, as we have prepared exciting special settings and activities in collaboration with some of the country's most distinguished interior designers. Expect to see the Buyer's Lounge, designed with Almaria Sisters, offering a refined space for networking and business deals. The 60th Anniversary PIA Pavilion, a tribute to our legacy and future in collaboration with interior designer Anton Mendoza. Our New Wave special setting, showcasing emerging local Filipino designers and young individuals continuing their family's legacy. Curated by interior designer Joy Mo, with a stunning art installation by none other than Leroy Liu. And of course, this very creative opening ceremony, creatively directed by interior designer Cecile Ravelas and the Red Creatives. The Philippine International Furniture Show special settings, thoughtfully curated by interior designer Tessa Lindogan. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the vision, dedication, and leadership of my Vice President, interior designer Cindy Beltran, and her husband, Mado Beltran of Mos Manila, who brought this to life. Together with PIID, we stand in full support of our local furniture industry and hope that everyone here will do the same. Our craft has so much to offer to the world, and through collaborations like this, we can continue to push Filipino design into the global stage. We would also like to express our deepest gratitude to our sponsors for making this event possible. Your unwavering support plays a crucial role in bringing our vision to life. And we really appreciate your commitment to advancing the design and furniture industries. Of course, a huge thank you to Ms. Jing and Sir Patrick of Global Link for trusting us with this vision. Of course, Sir Erwin Tan of the Philippine International Furniture Show, and all the chambers for the support and allowing us to collaborate. And of course, to Miguel Zuluaga of Ascor